What's up, you guys? It's your girl Delilah Love coming back at it with another video, and today, baby, we are going to be doing some cooking. You can't put your headphones in? Damn. I gotta do a voiceover on this. Hey, y'all. So we're gonna be doing some. I'm live on this and I'm recording on this. So these are the things that you're gonna need for your Alfredo. You're gonna need some garlic, some lemon juice, butter, Philadelphia, heavy whipped cream, milk, and your seasoning. This is the seasoning you're gonna need. Italian seasoning, black pepper, lemon pepper, onion powder, chili powder, slap your mama, garlic powder, seasoning salt, whatever. That's what you're gonna need. And the cheeses that I am using, Pepper Jack, Italian cheese. So this is the meat. I got the shrimps, the chicken tenders, family. So now we're about to go ahead and season our food or whatever. So yeah. Not too much. So you're gonna need some butter with some Italian seasoning.
I always die trying to save
Which camera
a
are you
teammate.
talking to?
I always die trying to save a teammate. What's up with that? Man, I gotta stop it. That's what it is.
Now we're about to put these in the refrigerator, so I could go ahead and start off with the sauce. So what you're gonna need is your butter. I don't have stick of butter. We're gonna cut this.
What? I didn't shot into my ramp? How's that possible? Not sure. Nah. No. I'm mad. I'm gonna shoot it.
Nah, that shit. He ain't going nowhere. Tell them this.
It's not to that part yet. You get on nerves.
Yeah, my hands clean. For y'all that understand. He coming in touching on your back.
Wait, give me that thing where I could put my spoon on. Is in that drawer.
Nope.
That drawer over there. There's only one drawer over there.
Right. The right drawer.
Thank you. Good.
He called me a nigger in me.
You said what? And that's good.